Hi guys, welcome back to another construction video. I'm called Rashida in case you're new to my channel. Share videos about the journey of building my dream house here in Uganda. So right now I'm other side, but I'm from getting someone who can stay in our house and we pay him monthly. So since we have installed in the window and door frames, we cannot leave the house the way it is. So we decided to get a person who can stay in our house. There is a guy they recommended to us, and they told me he is a very nice guy, so he can stay in our house. But I'm from looking for him. I couldn't find him, so he's going to help me look for him. So let us go to the house. The builders have finished to install in the window and door frames, although one window here is remaining. As I told you in my previous video, that the guy who worked on the window and door frames made an error. He gave us a small window for the master bedroom, yet it needs to be big. So I told him to work on the window again, and I'm from calling him a few minutes ago, and he told me that he is on the way coming. Okay, let me show you what the builders have done so far. So guys, this is the house. These ones were installed in yesterday. Yeah, they were installed in yesterday. All of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. Let me show you this side. Then this is the remaining one, which the guy is bringing. So guys, that window was 7 by 6 feet, so I told the guy to make it 7 by 7 feet, so it's now bigger compared to how it has been, you see. So guys, this is it. That's the only one remaining. These doors have been installed in the morning. So far the builders done, like they have finished, just waiting for the guy to bring that door so that it can be also installed in. Okay, let me give you this clear close up. You see guys, you see? Yeah, that's it. That's it. This job is done. I'm so happy that God has enabled us to reach this far. Okay, you see, this is it. Yeah, that's the dining window, and that's for the kitchen. Then the other one is the pantry, and the last one is the laundry room. Okay, let me kind of show you the back. Then from here I'll show you the inside. So guys, this is the back of the house. The builders have told me, okay, here where we are building, there are a lot of people who have cows. Kati abalunzi, can you believe they had made our house their toilet? Like, who does that? Who does that? How can you make someone's house your toilet? So they have been doing their poo in our house. But I thank God that we have closed the house. Now, let me see where they are going to do their poo from. Hey, they have told me that the house has a lot of, and I'm so sure because even there are a lot of walaji bottles inside the house. So that means they have been entering, or whenever it rains, they drink their walaj inside our house. But now, no more entering. Okay, let us go and I show you how it looks like in the inside. So guys, we have that remaining sand. What they are doing right now. What they are doing right now, the contract has decided to put the sand, the remaining sand, here at the shed. Yeah, so that in case it rains, it's not eroded by the rain. So it's what they are doing as for now. Okay, let me go and show you. Guys, see beauty, see beauty. So this is a one slide, the one for the dining. Let me try and give you a close-up. It's a one slide. Hey, mune waba nsinga ko. Lwaki abatanterezo si ari. You see guys, it's a one slide and I love it. Kasokendabe. Hey guys, this is cute. Kabi kulenga balaba. Wow, this is so cute. You see? So that's Ronald, the guy behind this nice work. In case you want to work with him, akorera natete ngenda teka one number. Ronald, did you take our number you? So guys, I'm going to put his number here. He has done a very good job. A very good job. So I'll put his number there in case you want to work with him. Ngomukubira ko laba fabali eno manyangwa gayaza tumukozeseza obanga oli nearby natete chengela ne wala oba oli wala, they can deliver. So he did a very good job for us. Bulabo budinisa bwebo kalaba the modern ones. So guys, this window has been delivered today. Yesterday he had given us a small window, so he delivered this one today. I love how big it is. Wow. Ngatene manange ne dinisa daddy holiraba liryo dana lirya tukoledde ndoza katonda naye yayagadde liryo tuwemu akatini osobola tukoleredde n'okufa naye laffe banno lena ditwakwadde omulimu. So guys, this is the window. You see, they are still making it big. This is the window, and I decided to burn those things. The window is so big, it's like a door. Oh my god, it's so fresh. Yeah, that's it. Hey, rock baba ntute munafuna ba customer naye basonda sente za kuzimba. Yabakubira. So guys, okay. Guys, that's the master bedroom window. But you see how big it is. See. Okay, let me show you from this side. Those two French windows, those ones, they are in the master bedroom. Then this big, huge window. This guy has done a very good job. I mean, the guy who worked on our windows and door frames, he has done a very good job. Actually, somehow the window is okay. It's not as big as the doors, but how can I say it? Almost it's as big as the doors. So that's the living room door. Then this is the dining door. Okay, let me take you inside. So we decided to put the sun there. I already told you about it. And this is the entrance. The builders slept there. Bambi basuzawo badde ne mattress guy alese dinisa abayambi abo batwalidde. Yeah, they slept there. I provided them that light, the emergency chargeable light, so that babeera n'ekitangaala. That's the living room. Then this side, the dining, bakumye warmth. Yeah, so at night they lighted up that. Okay, now our house is working as a storage room, so we are putting all our material inside here. Yeah, so guys, see that open kitchen dining area. I don't know why it took me that long to create that dining serving window, and I'm so sure it will come out so nice in case we have done the finishing of the house. After this video, I'll give you the accountability of how much the windows and door frames costed us. Yeah, I'll give you that accountability. Okay, so this is the view from the inside of the house, and that's my big dining window. Yeah, then the kitchen, and then this side, we got someone who is going to be sleeping in the house, so tetusobola kuleka nnyumba nga weeri ate nga tutaddemu amadinisa n'enzigi. He is here leveling where he's going to sleep. He's called Kato. This is the master bedroom, guys. See that window. See how big it is. This is the inside of the master bedroom. And then this side, then the bathroom. He is going to be sleeping here, and he decided to level this room. He decided to do the leveling of the room. Then this is the third bedroom. You see, guys? Yeah, that's it so far. And then this is the general bathroom. You see? This is it. Okay, let me go the other side. And that's the reading room for the kids. Yeah. This is the reading room. Then over here, this is the kitchen. It's the kitchen with this big open serving window. You see, guys, this is how big the kitchen is. I mean the kitchen window. Then this is the pantry. Then over this side, this is the laundry room. And my favorite door. Guys, I love how cute this door is. This door is so cute. It's so beautiful. So guys, it's raining. Heavy rain. You see? But we had finished. Yeah, we had finished. So I was just waiting for this guy who's going to sleep in the, like to be keeping the house. Then he said the house caretaker to shift. Then I gave him the keys. I will back to site. But it's raining. It's raining. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy that video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to this channel. You can leave a comment down below. Any advice, tips about house construction, I'm here. I can share them with you. So right now I think I'm going to leave the site and I'll come back tomorrow. Yeah, but for now we are leaving and the builders are going to. So I'll say goodbye. See you.